Hi, I am Imal Aswat. I am going to take for 10th standard. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. The train covered at a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 6 km per hour faster, it would be taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. That is the first condition what is given. The train would have been 6 km per hour faster, 4 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 6 km per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the length of the journey. Find the length of the journey means you have to find the distance. We have to find the distance. So for that it is two conditions are given. So first find the length of the journey. So distance equal to speed into time. So let x kilometer per hour be the current speed and y distance speed that is y be the time taken. So kilometer per hour. So kilometer per hour. Y hours be the time taken. So automatically what is distance? Distance equal to speed into time. Therefore xy. Therefore what is xy? Distance equal to xy. Next here what condition? First one condition is given. If the train would have been 6 km or faster. So what is distance now? If the train would be 6 km per hour faster. So 6 km per hour faster, that is equal to xy equal to 6 km per hour faster. So x plus 6. So what is the time? Less than 4 hours. So y minus 4. Y minus 4. So now here it is you have to multiply xy minus 4x plus 6y minus 24. Here also xy is having. Therefore xy get cancelled. So what is the answer is 4x minus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Here we can divide by 2 also. So what you get? 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. This is the first equation. So this is the first equation. Next here one more condition it is given, that is what is the next condition? If the train was slower by 6 km per hour. So slower by 6 km per hour na x minus 6 slower by 6 km per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. So 6 hours more than the scheduled time. So y plus 6, x minus 6, y plus 6. So xy plus 6x minus 6y minus 36. Here xy get cancelled. So the answer is 6x, that is divide by 6, x minus y minus 6. X minus y minus 6 equal to 0. X minus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now compare the first equation. It is here 2. So I multiply the first coefficient by 2. So 2x minus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Then 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Then subtracting, that is minus plus minus. So what you get is, here this one cancel, here plus 3y plus y equal to 24. Y equal to 24. Next substituting y in that is the equation number 2. What you get? X minus 24, that is x minus 30 equal to 0. So x equal to 30. What is asking? Length of the journey. Now we find that is x, that is speed, and y this time. Therefore length equal to this speed into time. So speed 30 into 24 kilometers. So 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 1, 3 2s are 6, 7, 3 2s are 6, 7, 720 kilometer. Distance equal to 720 kilometer. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.